Okay, and what are the difficulties that you face when you speak in English?
Actually, tenses is not means I'm speaking. I want to speak a lot, but there is not correct sentence structure as well as not verb agreement, subject verb agreement. There I am lacking a lot.
You want to speak correctly, but you're not able to, correct?
Yes, and sometimes I stuck in between the words. Means what words I have to use, and means I stuck while speaking.
Okay, okay, I can understand.
Yes,
So have you gone through the session notes for today?
yes. I want to.
Okay, so what do you understand by the topic
Topic is would you rather go into the past or
or
change
into the future?
or into
Or
the
would you like to
future?
explore the future?
Yes, right.
Yes. So what would you like to do? Tell me.
I will go to explore the future actually.
And what would you like to explore in the future?
That what I'm doing and where I am in right now. Means where will I in the future. So I will see myself the changes.
Okay. So what changes you're going through?
Like what career I have chosen in the future. So and
What
as well
career I
as
have opted for?
what career I have opted for.
Opted for, yes.
Okay, and then it means I will explore and where I am living and what I am doing in the future. So I will explore and means what means learn the experience means. So that's why when I know the when I explore the future, then okay, I am doing I will do that kind of work. So I am going to I am going to enhance in this present.
Okay, so you're going to improve yourself in this way, right?
Yes.
That's lovely. And what information will you take from future rather than your career?
Means if I means how many means if means I want to see myself that how many because right now I am thinking about the people that who is means I want to help people. So I want to see myself in the future that how many people lives I have changed. Means I have helped him and also developed their education field or any kind of thing support I have done in the future. So
I want to see that how many people's life you have changed.
yes, means actually I today current means today means from today not means in the present I want to change people's lives means I want to help them. So but right now I don't have right means path or guidance to how to help him regarding like I want to help through financially also or I want to help through like any skills any knowledge sharing. So that
Not
kind of
knowledge,
thing
I just want to share. I want to share the knowledge, or I would
I
like
want
to
to
teach
share.
them some skills. We'll express it in this way, okay?
Okay, I want to teach them.
Okay, that's great. So, would you like to take somebody with you on the journey?
Yes, I will also see. Yeah, and I forget. I only thinking about me, but I will also see my family. That how my family is happy with me, means happy with my career related or relationship or health related, means how is they are happy, how are they happy, and giving me a blessing that you are doing a great job, you have done great things. So I couldn't believe that, that kind of expression I want to hear from my parents or from my family.
Okay, that would be great. So now, suppose if you have a hypocrite situation, okay, an imaginary situation. If you have a chance to go into the past and change something, so what would you like to change?
If I have a chance to go into the past, then I'm going to change my mistakes. I have done lots of mistakes, like I have not to do. But so that means like if I say in the college, in the college period, my father told me that you have to choose this path, and also I reject, means I reject him, means I didn't accept thoughts, uh, uh, their thoughts. So, and as well as one of my teacher who told me that you have to should you should pursue the English English honors. But I think I thought that it might not help me, so I choose other stream, and I refuse it. But now I am, means if I say like now I'm regretting, so I have to accept their thoughts, and then it might be changed, so I will change that concept.
Yeah, it might change. So, okay. Now, tell me something. What information you will bring into the present from the future? So, what do you think would be the utilization or what would be the usage of that information?
Firstly, I might think what information, right?
Yes, whatever information you will bring,
Hmm.
how it would be useful for you.
Okay. Firstly, I'm going, when I am able to go into the future, then th- I will see myself that what kind of books I am reading in the future, what kind of also what kind of yoga or exercise I am doing in the future, like for my health. Okay, and what person I have chosen in the future, for relationship. So I will go all the areas like health, relationship, career wise, money wise. So how I am, what I am doing, and also what kind of perspective, what kind of vision, what kind of thoughts I am carrying on that in the future. So I go I explore that, and eh, grab that information and use it in the present to enhance and to build my perspective, that because in the future I have totally changed, so that's
I
why.
would be,
What?
in the future, I would be totally changed.
Okay, in the future I would be totally changed, totally changed. So that that Puja, actually that personality I want to, that what kind of personality she is taking. So I want to take it and use it in this present, and improve myself better and better in a daily basis.
I want to improve myself in a better way, right?
Yeah, I want to improve myself in a better way. Yes.
Lovely. So how will you actually prove to the people that you went to the future? What would be the proof? When people would be asking you, so how will you prove them?
For my perspective right now, in my mind coming like, if I say like vision, imagination. So in the imagination, we can explore the future also, and also past. So we can this if we are very deeply imagination thought, then I'm through the imagination I will go there, and I will see myself that what kind of things I am doing in the future. So like if I say like through meditation we can do it, and to like when we are calm and when we see means when we see a bigger picture of ourselves, of myself, then definitely we know that what kind of things I have to do right now, what kind of thoughts, what kind of aspect I have to do right now, and change it.
Okay, okay, fine. That's great. That is actually great because what I believe that if you are able to go into the future, so
Yes,
you will be able to see that what your life is in the future, right?
yes,
And
yes,
that will actually help you a lot
yes,
to work or to make efforts. True,
yes,
because
right,
currently we don't know
yes, right,
like today, right? We are
yes,
confused with the lives that okay,
yes,
what am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to deal with all of it? So
yes,
I believe that that might be something that would be really helpful,
yes, right,
right?
yes.
Yes. Okay. So now my last question for you is that see, would you like to go into the future alone, or will you like to take someone like maybe your friend, your cousin, your siblings, your brother, sister, anybody?
If I say like I with my friend, like it will fun with friends to do something.
Yeah, it will feel good, right?
Yes, because how means I am also exploring the future, and also they also exploring the future. They are also exploring the future.
Okay, in your future itself.
Yes.
Okay, that would be lovely. So I'll quickly give you the feedback. Okay, Pooja?
Okay. Okay.
Yes. So, Pooja, you have to work on your, sentence structures because while you were preparing the sentences, there were a lot of errors. You were using the incorrect prepositions and the tenses. Okay.
Okay.
So, start listening to podcast. The more you listen to the podcast, the more confident you'll be able to speak. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. So that would be great for you.
Okay.
Okay. So, please take care. All the best. And it was really great speaking to you.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye bye.